high. In this video, we are going to renovate an old kitchen worktop using this marble white DC Fix self-adhesive film to give it a fresh, contemporary new look without the massive price tag. Prep the worktop by ensuring it's clean, dry, and free from dust and grease. Start by cutting your film to size, using the grid on the backing paper as a guide. Mark with a pencil to ensure you leave enough excess to fold over the edges of the worktop. Remove a corner of the backing paper to expose the vinyl, then apply to the worktop, peeling off the backing paper as you go and pressing down on the film with your smoother. If you have an air bubble in your vinyl, simply pull it back and reapply, or push the bubble to the edge with your smoother. Alternatively, use a pin to prick a hole in the film and release the air. When applying to curved surfaces, use a hairdryer on the coolest setting to soften the film. This will allow you to mold it easily around the worktop edge. Avoid pulling too hard, as this can overstretch the film. If you find your sheet is crooked, simply remove it from your worktop and start again. Once applied, leave to bond for 24 hours and your worktop is ready to use.